Antibiotic resistance is becoming increasingly prevalent right around the world, and Jamaica is no exception. As a result, the new resistance mechanisms continue to threaten the ability to treat common infectious disease. TVJ's Shamela Pullen tells us more in the Health Report.
A growing list of infections such as pneumonia, tuberculosis, blood poisoning, and foodborne diseases are becoming harder and sometimes impossible to treat as antibiotics become less effective. Immunologist Dr. Joan White says this continues to pose a big challenge for the health sector.
When antibiotics are no longer effective against the common germs that cause pneumonia and cause meningitis or infection of the brain, then our arsenal or the options that we have for treating these conditions will run out. And so healthcare systems are forced to invent new medications, and it's quite expensive to do research to identify a new antibiotic and to bring that to market. It's years of development and research work, 10 to 20 years just to get one antibiotic out there.
Antibiotics are medicines used to prevent and treat bacterial infections. But according to Dr. White, there are persons who insist that they get the medicine even when they have a viral infection.
So one of the issues we've had is that patients, if they have a cold, which is a viral condition, and you go to the doctor and your doctor doesn't prescribe antibiotics for you, then you feel as if you were not adequately treated. But it's actually for your own good, because giving you an antibiotic would just be to pacify the patient, but of no use to you since it's a viral condition.
Dr. White is reminding persons that if they are given antibiotics to treat a bacteria, they need to ensure they complete the course as prescribed by their healthcare provider.
It's important to complete the course. So if the doctor prescribed it for 7 days, it's important to finish the 7 days, even if you're feeling better just after 2 or 3 days. And the reason is that if you feel better after 3 days and you don't continue the antibiotics, the level of the antibiotics that is required to stay in the body to keep the germ from multiplying or to kill the germ, it will fall off very quickly before you finish the course.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.